Hi, my name is Masahiko Yamanaka, President and founder of Vanguard Industries, an international technology company specializing in concept, solution, product, and experience design. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the pets of the future. This is MOFLIN, a friend. MOFLIN is an AI pet with emotional capacities similar to human beings and animals. MOFLIN utilizes GA or genetic algorithm to learn and grow. This DNA evolves like human DNA as it takes in data from experiences. Therefore, every MOFLIN has its own unique personality, like you and I, or Johnny the cat over here. MOFLIN is constantly using its interactions to determine patterns and evaluate itself. Its movement change based on its evaluating data. This here is how MOFLIN changes. MOFLIN is sensitive and can provide tremendous therapeutic benefits, not just for the elderly, but also for children, because it teaches responsibility, compassion, and discipline. We are currently exploring the range of therapeutic benefits. With MOFLIN, it's easier to be a happier you and easier to make your dream come true. My dream is to bring MOFLIN to you. Your contribution goes towards developing a product that doesn't exist in the current marketplace and has the potential to change lives and bring people closer together. Please take a look at our Kickstarter page and consider a contribution to get MOFLIN out into the world. Goodbye.
Welcome to the future world. Combined with advanced technology, liberal art and humanities, an incredible new creature is born. Just like a real cat, MarsCat is fully autonomous, stretching, tapping, and even burying litter. It may express different emotions by different meows or gestures. MarsCat can play with you or your toys because it can feel, hear,
Mars, go sleep,
and see. It can interact with objects or people nearby, even play with real cats. It heals with purr sounds. Every MarsCat is unique, from its eyes, body to personality. You can pet it and shape its characters in your own way. Dress it up, make it more adorable. MarsCat is open-sourced and programmable. With powerful quad-core Raspberry Pi, you can create your own applications. MarsCat is also an ideal choice for education, research, and commercial purpose. Batteries last for around 3 hours for active reactions, or 6 hours for regular motions. We value your privacy, and all data is stored offline. Join us for a new era of technology. Dream up a new world. Break the boundaries and embrace the future. The MarsCat has been designed for you. Elephant Robotics. Enjoy Robots World.
Meet Kiki, your robot sidekick. She's a little shy to begin with, but cutting-edge robotics and AI technology lets Kiki evolve, depending on your interactions. Kiki misses you when you're gone. Or not. Because just like you, every Kiki is unique. She can be a little protective, especially around
Now Kiki is here for you. Bring your dream robot to reality.
Introducing the Vorpal Combat Hexapod, an open-source, wireless, 3D printed walking robot designed to create fun, interactive learning experiences. I need your help to bring this project to the world. I know it will inspire people of all ages to learn more about technology and robotics. In my 10 years teaching robotics classes and coaching competitive robotics, I've mentored hundreds of students, and I always felt something was missing. Over a year ago, I worked with an independent study student to build a simple 3D printed hexapod, and found that everyone who watched it was immediately enthralled. But that early prototype was hard to build and had only limited software support. I've been refining this project for the past year, testing dozens of iterations to make sure it's easy to build, reliable, and just plain cool. Vorpal was designed to be used for games and activities like Dance Contest, Joust, Capture the Flag, the Fidget Spinner Challenge, and more. This past summer, I donated 8 prototype hexapods to a summer program run by the Partnership for Appalachian Girls Education, or PAGE, and it was a smashing success. The girls at the camp learned to build, operate, and program the hexapods using the MIT Scratch drag-and-drop programming system, and they were truly inspired by what they achieved. This proved to me that we were on the right track with this project. But I need your help. I need more 3D printers to fulfill orders from people who don't have one, and I need the ability to buy parts in large enough quantities to get economies of scale. With your help, I know we can bring the Vorpal Combat Hexapod to every school, maker group, and hobbyist around the world to stimulate a whole new generation of engineers, programmers, and technology-savvy citizens. Thank you for your support.
Big Clapper is a cheerful robot that induces applause with its big, soft hands. It's very simple to use. Just turn the power on and select the scenario. Big Clapper is ready to interact with cheerful banter and, of course, applause. For example, at a storefront, at the office, at birthday parties, and in many other situations. And if you use the app, performance mode.
1, 2, 3.
Clap along to the beat of your favorite music. Record your own words and phrases.
好きです。
好きです。
Endless fun. And now, a Big Clapper challenge. We placed Big Clapper in different locations. Take a look at what happened. Nicely done, Big Clapper.
それでは皆様、お手を拝借。よー。ありがとうございました。
Swimming in pool, you feel it just boring. Fishing alone, so you just stare at the fishing pole. Diving with old friends, they carry camera, spear gun, float line, and you ask what we do today. And he's like, same old shit, man. So, you start to imagine, is there any way to make these activities any more interesting? Maybe you just need something with more technology, small and light, and helps you view the world like a fish. Introducing BIKI, the world's very first bionic underwater drone. Driven by a 4K UHD camera, Bionic caudal fin, and a streamlined body design. Operate BIKI via your smart device or remote control. It's simple to learn and easy to use. Just turn it on and throw it into the water. BIKI will automatically balance itself. Go fishing with BIKI. Put it into the water. With the Bionic design, it won't or just simply have fun. Capture the moments of your life and share it right away. With BIKI, we can discover a world like never before. What are the other possibilities of BIKI? There's only one way to find out.
This is ClickBot. Cute, right? ClickBot is a family robot that's a bit different. His expressions and characteristics were designed by Carlos Bina, an award-winning designer. He has over 200 interactions that will make you fall in love with him. He can also dance, compete, and play with you. Play trivia. Chase the ball, and a ton of other games. This would already make him pretty remarkable, but here's where he's different. ClickBot is an entire universe. See, this is also ClickBot. It has wheels and can follow you around. This, it's also ClickBot. It can climb walls, and this one crawls, and this one is a mean driving machine. And this one serves snacks. Now these are not separate robots, they're all just one ClickBot. See, ClickBot is modular. The good kind of modular. The kind that works like magic. Instead of hundreds of motors, servos, cables, and chips, ClickBot is built from smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right out of the box, ClickBot comes with 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But it doesn't end there. After you've mastered these, you can create more than 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. Did we say different? Now let's talk STEM. ClickBot takes a new approach to STEM and learning code. Most STEM products are either too simple or way too complicated. ClickBot goes all the way from super basic to real-world coding. Here's how. Built a new robot by just clicking pieces together? How will you program it to drive? Well, you don't need to. Just hit record and move the robot however you wish. And that's it. Now you can control it. Want to teach it to do something? Hit record, move it, and that's it. You can now play that sequence. No code. Ready to level up? ClickBot is fully programmable with a friendly drag-and-drop coding interface. BLOCKY by Google. With a ton of sensors, you can really make it do anything. And you're not alone in this learning process. The ClickBot Academy has over 30 video tutorials that teach code from beginner to advanced, with many more added regularly. But even that is just to get you started. ClickBot has a built-in community where you can share your creations and learn from others, so you never run out of ideas or ways to learn new things. Want to level up even higher? ClickBot is also compatible with Python, so the code-savvy grown-up children can create even more complex actions. So to summarize, a lovable robot that plays games, dances, climbs, and drives, with smart modular building blocks that make it 10,000 robots, and STEM learning from starter to pro with tutorials and a great community. So if you want a new family member that's a little different, this is ClickBot. Cute, right?
You probably know robotic lawnmowers. It's a lot of work to dig in their perimeter cables. And eventually they'll chop up any of your belongings in your yard. Not to mention their technology. It's more than 25 years old. Forget everything you know about robotic lawnmowers. Let me introduce myself. I'm Toady, the world's first and only autonomous lawn robot. I don't need a perimeter cable. I mow in straight lines. And I also mow borders. I see the world just as you do. With my artificial intelligence, I'm able to detect objects and animals. I love you and your family. I'll safely mow around anyone. With my computer vision technology, I'll always know where I'm located in your garden. It allows me to safely navigate around in it, autonomously, without any external sensors or cables. I'll avoid driving into your pool. I won't bump into objects. Oh, and I recognize fences and don't crash into them. Hey, that's probably why I'm always first in class. Thanks to my superb vision, I'll always find my way home to my charger. And dock in style. For the more complex yards, I can cross to another zone all by myself. You're going to love me when you like flower beds in your garden. You can instruct me not to mow there, so the bees and butterflies can flourish. But if needed, I can easily handle the most difficult and challenging terrains. That's why my all-terrain tires and powerful motor can tackle hills up to 45% and cover areas that are as large as an American football field. And don't worry about the grass clippings. I use mulching technology and continuously mow a micro-tiny clipping of the grass. Your grass will always look perfect and healthy. At night, I will stand guard with my night vision camera and spot people up to 32 yards. I'll send you a message with a picture to your smartphone. I'm the world's first robot that doesn't need a manual. Not only that, I don't have any button, no keypad, no nothing. Simply because I don't need all of that. I'm smart, you know. You can install me as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Install the app. 2. Plug in my charger. You can easily install me close to your power socket. 3. Walk with me around your yard. And that's all it takes. Easy peasy, isn't it? The people who created me redesigned me from scratch. They made sure I wouldn't harm the environment. That's why I'm produced out of 81% of cornstarch. And I'm produced locally through 3D printing in every country I'm sold, supporting the local economy. And don't forget you are buying the future as well. I'll check every night for a software update and get new skills downloaded via the internet. I'll keep evolving and do more and more work for you. If you want some assistance for your lawn, just order me. I'm happy to help you out. Unless on Sunday. Everybody deserves a day off.